Hi everyone, just wanted to show you here real quick how your HTML ads, add those to your Safelist and into a web page. Send in your HTML ads, it's pretty easy using the link maker software that I showed you before in the other video. We'll get right into it here. I'm going to go ahead and there's the software again, as you guys remember in the first video, using your keywords here, your URL. This is for your image location. It's in that top video there. Now this is just a little text ad here that I wrote. You can add, I'm using the link maker software right here with this. That's a banner right there. And this is the text that I used. This is on a JV product. I just added this text right here at the top for when I'm sending out my my email in my Safelist, and you can use this on a web page too. So, and it's whatever you're promoting. So, you can put whatever text you want here. So we'll jump right into it here, and I'll show you how this works. We'll put that down there. I'm going to go into this one. Here's the Safelist I use. It's called Ad Jockeys. I like this one. I'm going to go ahead and log in here and show you how this works. You can save these ads too. We'll jump on past that. If you decide to, we'll go more detail on the Ad Jockeys if you like to, how this operates. But right now, I'm just going to show you how this works. Stroll it on down here, and I'm going to send a credit email right here. Okay. Now this is your text editor right here. If you want to, you can send it in text, but we're going to use the HTML editor right now. So I've already got this set up. This is my ad right here. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this whole thing right here. Copy that down. I'm going to hit the source button right here. Click that source button on. Take that out. And I'm just going to right click and paste that right there. Okay. Then go back up here. I'm going to hit my source button, and there it is. With this right here, I'm just going to put my clicker right there and just bounce that down a couple times. And same thing right here. Just put that down a little bit. Then we'll go to this right here. Put everything in the center. Just like that. Simple. Now, some of these ads, when they come into your Gmail or Yahoo, whatever you're using for your Safelist, these don't always show up, these images. So that's why I use this text right here. This up here, and this is highlighted from this simple little ad right here. Right here says the video rocks, the video software rocks. Well, that's what you see right there, and that's highlighted. And using that from the link maker software, and that's how that works. Same thing with the banner. That banner I made myself, so that's on my own domain. So you can use that for anything. I mean, your own. If you got a link to a banner, that's all you need. And then you can just make your own little ad like I did right here, and save it. Simple as that. Piece of cake. We'll go back up here. Let's put a subject line in there, like, oh, let's see. We'll just put video rocks. How's that? Video rocks. Well, let's see here. I still got my caps on. Sorry about that. Let's try that again. Video rocks. We'll do that. And there it is right there. But then you want to come down here and put your link in there where you want that to go. And I also have that right here. We'll just use this right here because that's the link where it goes to. Oops, not too far there. Copy that. And we'll put that link in there. And we're going to send it out to 4,543 people. 4543 right there. Okay. I'm not going to save it, click no, boom, send, and there it is. And we can jump in my email and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so same thing over here. Let's jump into another one here real quick. I already have it up here. This is Ad Jockeys. Let me jump in there. This is another Safelist I use. I'm going to go ahead and jump in there and log into here. Of course, you always get these one-time offers. And we'll go over these Safelist more. I'll make a video on these Safelist if you guys want, and we will show you more how they work a little bit better. Go down to the credit mailer, same thing right here. There's the HTML editor right there. So I'm going to copy this ad I have right here. Copy that whole thing. Just like that. I'm going to hit my source button. Not all HTML editors are the same, but pretty close. Some of them will let you do this, some of them won't. Okay, we'll just go ahead and take that out. And I'm going to paste my ad right there. Hit the source code again, and there it is. Now you see how that's kind of crazy right there? We'll fix that. Right there. Bounce this down a couple times. And put it right there. Put that down. This right here. I want to hit this. All this we need this centered up. And boom. There you go. There's your ad. There's your text. This right here. If you click on this, once the email is sent, it's going to take you to the site that I put right here. Now I need to put that in there. It's pretty simple to use. Click off of this is my affiliate link. Copy that. And I'm going to put it right there. Don't forget to put your subject line in. Oh, let's go with something different on this one. How about we just use, let's just put this in there for a subject line real quick. Copy. And we'll paste that right in there. There, got my subject line. There's my ad. Links in. We want to send to 4,830 people. 4,830. I'm not going to save this. And we're going to hit send. And there it's off. So anyway, that's how you use it for sending HTML code. So like I said, not all images show up in your email client, so unless you allow it. But that's kind of how it works. Now if you're into website, I'm using Composer on this. Let's say we'll just do a real quick thing here. Let's do a table here. Let's just do one table. Let's make this. I'm gonna right click here. Table cell properties. Let's go with. Let's just go with 750. 750 vertical. We want to do center. Hit apply. Hit OK. Let's go back here to table cell properties. That was in the cell. Let's go with 750. 750 pixels. That's okay. Let's hit center. Apply. Okay. There we go. Now, this is just like a little one-page website. I'm just going to show you real quick what this does. This can put the same ad in there. So all you have to do with this in the center, and we can go over more of this. I can show you more how to do it. So I'm going to take my ad, my same ad. If I was building a website and wanted to put this somewhere on my website, I can copy this. May want to straighten it up a little bit on a website, but let's go here and let's insert HTML here and paste. Put that in there and insert, and there you go. So we could drop this down just a little bit here. There's all my text. You can change all this, and let's drop this side of whatever. We could go a little bit bigger on this maybe. Let's see what it looks like. Let's make it bold and make it a little bigger and a little bigger and a little bigger. That's too big. You can do whatever you like with this. You can change it around. It's pretty easy to do, but anyway, that's how it kind of works. Just put that right in there, and then if I save this, if I go up and save it, then it will be live because all this stuff is live. So that's kind of how it all works. So we'll get into more detail on different things as far as building a website and using this kind of stuff. There's lots of different ways we can do it. So that kind of pretty well wraps it up. But just remember, using this your link maker software, put your keyword in, whatever you want to write here, whatever URL you want the people to go to if they click on it. And the same here, if you have a banner or whatever page you want or you're using, this is the location of it. It would be this right here, like this is my own banner. So this is where my banner's hosted at. I just want to copy that. And that's the location of the banner. Then the URL, as I told you before, I wanted to go to this link. Just copy that. Paste the URL there. Now since it's a banner, I want to use the image link, and there's the HTML code, just like I showed you before. Then you just copy that and save it. Okay, that concludes. I thank you guys much.